How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another FreeCAD tutorial. In today's video, let's talk about on how we can export file as an STL. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply get finished designing or creating your model right here. And basically we could use this design in order to export it onto something like 3D printing, which is going to be an STL file. So first things first, head over to the file section, which is going to be at the corner of your screen. And then you want to click on export. Now, of course, before you do this, just make sure that you have selected the body that you want to turn into an STL file. And then once again, let's do the export button. And from here, it's really important to click on the save as file type. And then you want to look for the STL file, which is going to be this one. .stl. Now you can name this to whatever you want to. In our case, let's just name this example. Click on save, and that's basically how you do it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.